Welcome to my wealth space and thank you for joining in today. Today, I'm bringing this out for us to be able to kind of look into it and to focus and do our research on it. I'm talking about one of the EV company, NIO. The ticker symbol is NIO. This company was doing really well in the past two and a half years. It was doing really well. But due to one thing or the other, it has dropped drastically in price, in value, at least here in the US. It's a Chinese company. And if I when I say a Chinese company, you kind of should kind of have an idea of one of the reasons why these stocks goes down. Due to one reason of the other, like the geopolitical issues between the United States and China. So the uncertainty within the economic arrangement or the economic transaction between the United States and China. So all this had to the skepticism of people investing in this stock. So that's what I believe. One of the reasons that the stock still remain low and kind of stagnant for a few months now. So I want us to look at it because these companies they are doing quite well. They are doing well. They are making profit. They are not making profit as much as Tesla for now, but they are making profit. They are one of the companies, some of the EV companies that are actually making profit. I will show you that in this video. So I want us investor, as someone that is trying to build this generational wealth, to be open-minded to do our research and see where the opportunity lies. And I believe one of the opportunity lies with this company, which is new. Even though it is ADR company, which means American Depository Receipt Company, which means don't let us get too deep into that. But all it does mean that it is a foreign country, it is a foreign company trading in the United States and handled by a bank for the transaction. That is all that means. American Depository Receipt. It means a third party company, which is a bank, is issuing this security for us to be able to buy it and trade it. So there is a fee that the bank kind of charge on ADR securities, which is ADR company. All of them are foreign companies. They are not US based companies. So that is why they have the ADR. So all the companies that are not US based, they are ADR security, which means a bank is the one issuing this security, handling this transaction for us to be able to buy. So there's a fee that kind of small fee. It's not a whole lot that kind of attached to an ADR company. So there's a little bit of fee. The fee is not much because I've seen it, but it is for us to do our own research. I am just telling us what is available out there. So do your own research and look at it. If the fee that they charge is reasonable for you, for you to be able to invest in the ADR security in a foreign company shares and stock. Now, this is just my opinion. I'm not saying categorically because of a fact. I'm saying, in my own opinion, if these issues are not in existence, are not there, this stock might be around, at least I'm thinking, $30, $25 to $30. That's just my opinion. Now, it's a risk of whatever happened geopolitically, whatever happened trade wise between United States and China. That is the risk that I see in between the stock value and all that. But if that is not there, if we take that out, this company has a great potential, and I believe you know you can. The risk there is reasonable. It's very reasonable if those things are not there. So if we hope that, or if we expect that in the long run all these issues are going to be solved or are going to be resolved, then NIO is a company to kind of look into, to kind of see how we can DCA into this company. Let me show you why I think this NIO is a great company and we should look into it. I'm going to show us this right now, and we can go from there. Company, which is just the American Depository Receipt. This is when bank kind of issued security, as a representative of those company. Don't we're not going to be focusing on technicalities and all that. We just want to know enough for us to understand what is going on right now. So this is NIO. Its ticker symbol is NIO, and you can see it said ADR company. So as of today, the stock is $8 41 cents. Actually, it went up in today by 6 cents. Uh, Even though the Dow was down 388, S&P was down 63 points. Nasdaq was down 207 points. So on this day, it's amazing that Neo kind of still find a way to add 6 cents to its value. So this is Neo, and this is a ticker symbol right here. And today, of course, it had 6 cents. Let's look at the 5 years. Okay, look at this now. This is why I was saying the company was doing good in the U.S. In the past, a year, 2 years, ago. If you look at it, I think it has a high of $61.95, which was January 2022. It was $61.95 in 2022, which is last year. Last year, January 22nd, 2022. So that's why I think it has the potential, if not for the geopolitical issues that I think. I mean, this is my own assumption. I could be wrong, but I think if it's not for that, this stock will have been around 25 to $30. And look at the market cap. The market cap is 14.04 billion. That is the market cap, right? 14.04 billion. So it's something for us to look into and kind of pay attention to it. It's now $8. It was once uh, uh, just a little over a year ago. It was $61. And this is why I was saying that this company is already making profit. They are making profit. One of the few companies that are actually making profit in EV. This is was one of it. And that's why I think we can kind of look into it and just pay attention to it, at least for us to know what is actually doing and what is going on. Look at this. This is another. Okay, so this is it right now. This here is the comparison of profitability among EV makers listed in the US. If you look at it, at the top is Tesla. Tesla is at the top. At the top. And if you so per car, Tesla per car that Tesla sells, they make 8,772. But this figure now has come down because Tesla has kind of reduced the sale price of some vehicles. So I believe this figure will have lower than this a little bit, at least lower than this a little bit. But Tesla at the top of the game is 8,772 per car. At least that gives us the perception, the idea of what we are talking about. And here comes the other EV company. So we have Li Auto. Okay, Li Auto is also Chinese in the company. It's also ADR company. Just it's a Chinese company, just like Leo. It's the same thing. So if you look at it, Li Auto is actually even making more money than Tesla. And Neo that I'm talking about in this video is profitable too. It's making 2,620. I mean, it's not a whole lot, but I'm just saying they're already making profit now. The cost of the share should have gone. Okay, let's look at Lee Auto. Let's look at what is the cost of the stock for Lee Auto. So Lee Auto is actually $34.81. That is, Lee Auto. It just came down. I think it was yesterday. It dropped yesterday. It was $39, yesterday, and it dropped today, and it's $34.81. Okay, and if you look at how much it was making $9,383 per car, right? Making more than Tesla. And Tesla is $253 and is making this profit $8,772. And Lee Auto is making 9,000, and Neo is making 2,620. So if you look at both the cost of the stock, $8, right? Compared to $34, and also compared to how much profit they make per car, you can kind of sense that neo neo has chances to go up. Let's look down and look at other. It's another Chinese, but it's making a loss per car. It's making a loss of 2,258. And Ravian is making a loss now. It's not making profit. It's making a loss of 32,595. Likewise, Lucid. Okay. So all these companies are not making profit yet. But if you look at it, we have these three: Lee Auto, Neo, and Tesla making profit. And this is my this is why I bring this up for us to kind of look into it. Now, Ravian is another company that I believe has potential. Once they turn the corner and they start making profit, and this negative turn to positive, they have the long room to go, you know. And S-Bank too is really close to profitability because it's already negative 2,251, and Lucid. So I just think it's really, really necessary for us to kind of focus on it and pay attention to it to kind of understand what is going on. That is why I'm bringing out today that we should look at Neo and see, the potentials that it carries. We just have to be kind of well informed about the updates and what is going on in the industry, especially the three industries that we have identified: the EV industry, the electric vehicles, the cannabis industry, and also the crypto industry. Just let us continue to get update. I will continue to bring update as it comes up. So not only getting the update, we should take action by doing our research and also, taking a decision and see what we can do about the information. Now, if this is your first time on this channel and you have not subscribed, I am pleading for you to support this channel by helping this channel to be relevant. When you subscribe, you will be one of those that will first get notification, and also it will help and make the channel relevant. So I'm pleading for you to subscribe right now, share this video, and also to comment on this video. Thank you once again. Thank you for taking time out. Until I see you in the next video. Thank you and have a wonderful day.